Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a vlog. Brett and I are headed over to Costco to check out some new things. We need some food. Then I am on the hunt for a pair of sunglasses because for whatever reason I can't find mine, and I hate to drive and squint. So a pair of sunglasses, Costco. We may pop in Ulta. I don't know what we're doing, but it's going to be a fun day. It's warm. I think it's pretty close, I would say in the high 60s, low 70s. It's just such a weird day today, but I am not upset about it. And looking around, the trees are red and orange and yellow. The sky is blue with a couple of little white puffy clouds in it. So we're having a great day so far. Check these out. These little earrings. Somebody asked me the other day when I wore them. They look like a little leopard. They're by... what is it called? House of Harlow. And I found those at TJ Maxx. Love it because I'm wearing denim, wearing a tank top and leggings and this little jacket over it. It's a little boyfriend cut big, which I am enjoying. Something new. And the hair is still the hair. Not a fan of the top of the hair. I feel like this particular hair appointment right before the wedding wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but it's not terrible. The lighting in here is not as accurate. It looks more like orangey in the viewfinder, but I don't know. It's fall, so whatever it is, it is. My eyelashes, I'm not wearing fake ones today, as you could tell, because last night I fell asleep with the glue still on. I guess I didn't get it off good enough, and I woke up this morning. My eyes hurt so bad and they were so inflamed. So I figured I can't wear them. And this is the extent of my eyelashes. As you can see, they're not what they used to be. So I wear a lot of strip eyelashes. But anyway, that's beside the point. Filling up my tank with gas and heading out. So the next stop will be either Costco, Nordstrom Rack, Home Goods, one of those places. What are we going to do first? Take a guess. Well, here we are. We landed at Costco on a Saturday afternoon. Lots of people, lots of holiday items. Shopping was aplenty for so many families. We did some food shopping. We picked up some seafood and chicken and avocados. Sit back, watch what we got, and I'll see you when we get home. No shocker that it's packed today. Obviously, it's a Saturday, so... Oh, it's crazy. All right, well, we are back from the store, and I wasn't able to film inside of TJ Maxx because they had no sunglasses except a tiny little tray right by the jewelry counter. The whole wall where they normally keep the sunglasses was covered with scarves, gloves, hats, and all that stuff. So they had about 10 pairs. That were all about $8 and under, and they were all banged up, scratched up, broken, just a mess. So I didn't obviously get a pair. But as I was heading toward the front, I found this. I want to show you. I have been looking for one of these. I have wanted a cape with a fur collar, the arm sleeves, and one of the Christmas gifts that I've asked for is the long leather gloves, the ones that come up like to your, almost to your elbow, like a cigarette glove, I think they were called back in the day. And to wear with this is, oh my gosh, this is, can you see me? This is a cape, and it has the sleeves that you can put your hands through. It has the fur collar. So what I want to show you is, look at the hardware on it. In case you have one of these TJ Maxx's near you, I want to show you. This is what it looks like. It says 0. I think it stands for 0 small. And I don't know what TU means. Does anybody else know what TU means? I don't know, but here's the price. It was $40. Vince Camuto. I've seen these in Macy's and different stores like that. Bloomingdale's has them. I'm going to put it on and see if I can show you what it looks like on. But I have wanted one of these probably for about a good year or so, and they are so popular right now. So I used to have one of these many years ago. It was white. But I'm excited for this color. All right, let me show you what it looks like on. Hold on. All right, guys, so here it is on. Let me just show you a second. This is what it looks like on. It is a cape. I will show you full length. It has the little arm sleeves. Obviously, you need to have a long sleeve shirt on, or like I said, I want those leather gloves that go all the way up. And so that's what I've asked for one of my Christmas gifts. But let me show you this hook and eye. Actually, let me tip you down a little. I hope you can see better. It has a clasp, and you just snap it in, and then it's closed. So let me stand back. Don't mind the shoes there. That's where we keep them. But look at this. Look at this. Isn't this great? Isn't this great? I have to bend down to show you. But it's open. So, you know, when you wear, like for me, you can wear this any way. You could wear it with jeans. You could wear it with dress slacks. You could wear it with like a nice pair of black leggings and a tall boot. You could literally do anything with it. I love it. Look at this. Can you see? And I'm not usually a fan of this oatmeal color because I like contrast, but I think with those black cigarette gloves or even like a brown suede glove, I think it would look great. And I'm excited to wear it. So that was my score. I also picked up this little hand lotion. It's by Hemp's. It's called Mary Berry. And when I tell you, it's called the Herbal Body Moisturizer Holiday. And it is enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. And I just love a good lotion in the winter. And this stuff has a smell. It just makes you feel like Christmas. Oh, it's so good. So I'm looking forward to using this when I get out of the shower. I also picked up, I think you may have seen it in the Costco. You know, let me fix this. Hold on. That's better. Okay, so I think you may have seen this when I was showing you the shopping cart for Costco. I did get an XL because I like my pajamas loose. And even though I could get away with probably a medium, like I said, I like them very loose. And I like to throw them in the dryer. So hence the XL. If you go to Costco, you might want to go up a size or two. I just think it fits so much better that way. And I love it. This is the same brand that I have in that pink tiger and also the green one. You guys always ask me where I get my pajamas. So that is the one I have been getting. And here's what it looks like. This is the design. Cute, right? You can't go wrong with pajamas. It was under $20 for the set, and it's like butter when you touch it. All right, I guess that's it for right now. I have some dinner cooking in the oven, so let's go in the kitchen. I'm gonna change. I'll see you in the kitchen.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side?